I won't. You want me to throw it?
No, they're winning.
Hurry up.
Oh. Okay, you can shoot it so it turns it on its side.
No, it's gonna do more than turn it on its side.
Are you sure?
Just turn it, that'd be good.
If you could just nick it, Keith, please.
I'll do a little 90-degree turn.
There you go.
I'm gonna try to hit that bottle down there.
You were supposed to just gently turn it.
Where am I going? Below?
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Got it. Nice.
Good job.